Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that the world you knew yesterday no longer exists. The roads are filled with flying machines instead of cars. Factories operate around the clock without a single worker touching the production line. Packages arrive at your doorstep minutes after ordering them. Buildings rise from empty land in a matter of days. Rivers once choked with pollution clean themselves before waste can ever reach the ocean. It sounds like something from a futuristic movie. But what if all of this is already happening? For decades, the United States has been a birthplace of inventions that changed civilization. From the internet to GPS, from smartphones to artificial intelligence, some of the most influential technologies in history began as ideas that many people believed were impossible. Now, a new generation of American inventions is pushing humanity into a future that feels almost unbelievable. These are not concepts. They are not Hollywood special effects. They are real machines, real systems, and real technologies that are already being tested, deployed, and in some cases, transforming entire industries. And what you're about to see may completely change how you think about the future. Picture a motorcycle that doesn't need roads, a machine that hovers above the ground and glides through the air as if gravity barely exists. Engineers have developed an incredible flying vehicle that combines the thrill of a motorcycle with the freedom of flight. Using powerful propulsion systems, this machine can lift itself into the air and travel at astonishing speeds. Unlike helicopters, it requires far less space. Unlike airplanes, it doesn't need a runway. Just climb aboard and take off. For rescue teams working in remote locations, emergency responders navigating disaster zones, and even future commuters trying to avoid traffic, this technology could completely redefine transportation. What once belonged only in science fiction is rapidly becoming reality. But flying bikes are only the beginning. Now imagine stepping into an aircraft with no pilot, no cockpit, no human controlling the flight. At first, that idea sounds terrifying. Yet advanced autonomous air taxis are being developed to safely transport passengers through cities using artificial intelligence. Every route, every adjustment, every landing is handled by sophisticated software systems capable of making thousands of calculations every second. These aircraft can rise vertically, travel efficiently through urban airspace, and land in compact areas. The goal is simple: reduce traffic congestion while creating a transportation network that operates above crowded streets. If successful, future generations may wonder why people ever spent hours stuck in traffic jams. Meanwhile, another revolution is taking place inside factories. For decades, engineers dreamed of creating humanoid robots capable of performing useful work alongside humans. Most attempts failed. The robots were too slow, too fragile, or too expensive. Today, that is changing. Modern humanoid robots can walk, carry equipment, manipulate tools, and learn tasks through advanced artificial intelligence. These machines are no longer confined to research laboratories. They are entering real manufacturing environments where they perform repetitive and physically demanding jobs. As AI continues improving, robots are becoming more adaptable, more capable, and more independent. Many experts believe this could become one of the largest workforce transformations in modern history. But perhaps one of the most visible changes will happen right outside your front door. Imagine ordering a product online and receiving it within an hour. No delivery truck, no driver, no traffic delays, just an autonomous drone descending from the sky with your package. Advanced delivery drones can navigate complex environments while avoiding obstacles such as buildings, bridges, and power lines. Power lines, animals, and people. They can operate in difficult weather conditions and complete deliveries with remarkable efficiency. For customers, it means faster service. For companies, it means lower transportation costs. For cities, it could mean fewer delivery vehicles on already crowded roads. The future of logistics may literally be flying overhead. Yet not every revolutionary invention is designed for convenience. Some are created to solve dangerous challenges. One of the most unusual examples combines robotics with specialized industrial tools. These four-legged robotic machines can travel across rough terrain, climb obstacles, and operate in environments too hazardous for people. By carrying specialized equipment, they can assist with vegetation management, infrastructure maintenance, and controlled environmental operations. Their existence raises important questions about safety, regulation, and how society should manage increasingly powerful robotic systems. Technology often creates opportunities, but it also creates responsibilities. While robots are becoming stronger, another invention focuses on making humans stronger. Imagine lifting hundreds of pounds as easily as lifting a backpack. Imagine working for hours without physical exhaustion. Imagine reducing workplace injuries while dramatically increasing productivity. This is the promise of powered exoskeleton technology. These wearable robotic suits amplify human strength and endurance. Instead of replacing workers, they enhance human capability. Construction crews, warehouse operators, manufacturers, and emergency responders could all benefit from this breakthrough. The technology allows people to accomplish tasks once considered impossible without heavy machinery. For aging workers and individuals with physical limitations, it may open opportunities that previously did not exist. The line between human ability and machine assistance is becoming increasingly blurred. And then there is an invention tackling one of humanity's oldest industries, construction. For thousands of years, buildings have largely been constructed using methods that change surprisingly little. Even modern construction often depends heavily on manual labor. But robotic construction systems are rewriting those rules. Using digital blueprints and advanced automation, these machines can place building materials with incredible precision. They work tirelessly, maintain consistent accuracy, and dramatically reduce construction time. As housing shortages continue affecting communities worldwide, automated construction could become one of the most important technological breakthroughs of the century. The ability to build homes faster, cheaper, and more efficiently has the potential to impact millions of lives. Yet perhaps the most inspiring innovation isn't focused on transportation, manufacturing, or construction. It's focused on saving the planet. Every year, enormous amounts of plastic waste enter rivers and eventually flow into the oceans. Once there, cleanup becomes incredibly difficult. So engineers developed a smarter solution. Stop the pollution before it reaches the sea. Autonomous cleanup systems float in rivers collecting waste continuously. Powered by renewable energy, these machines intercept plastic, debris, and garbage before it can spread into marine ecosystems. The impact is extraordinary. Instead of reacting to environmental damage after it occurs, these systems prevent it from happening in the first place. It's a simple idea with potentially global consequences. Together, these inventions reveal a remarkable pattern. The future is becoming more autonomous, more intelligent, more connected. Machines are learning, robots are working, vehicles are flying, construction is accelerating, and environmental technology is becoming proactive instead of reactive. The world is entering a period of innovation unlike anything seen before. Some of these technologies will succeed beyond expectations, others will evolve into forms we cannot yet imagine. But one thing is certain: the inventions being developed today will shape the lives of billions tomorrow. The future is no longer approaching, it's already here.